Hey guys, this is me, Spencer56542, me for another video. Sorry if you hear these background noises. I'm playing a game. It's called, I don't know. I'm doing this for my friend Bob. One second. Okay, sorry about that. I just used a cheat engine. This person is getting a little jealous. I don't know. This is my first time using it on this game. I just used it on here. You can get it's called Call of Duty Nazi Dirt or something like that. I don't really care. I don't care. Oh yeah, adding on Facebook, Spencer Boyleman. Okay. So first off, you're gonna have to go to, I don't know. I never played Club Penguin. I don't even know why I got it. I have the older version of it, just like a one update back. Cheat engine. There's a certain one you want to get to. I'll probably put that in the link description below. I think this is not it. There's a certain one, and it's kind of like a nerd one. I don't know. Nope, that's not it. I think this. Yep, this is it. If you look for this little icon right here, it's by Software 2. It might teach you how to use it and stuff, but well, yeah, I'm gonna teach you. You're gonna want to download this. I don't know. You're gonna have to find it now. I think it's this one. You're gonna want to download it. Then you're gonna want to go to, say, I've already used mine, so you're gonna go like this. So first, you want to look at your money. It'll be 0. Then you want to look at your money or whatever it's gonna be. You put it in here, say 10. Then you'll go to, but mine, it'll just say first scan, I think. Yeah, so first scan, you scan it. Then whatever one it is, you click it. Then you go over to this. After you find the right one, make sure the numbers don't change all the time like that. You want to find the good one, not green, I don't think. And then you want to change the value, put in the number of the value. Then you want to click enter, and then I think you have to waste some money or something like that. But there's what that is. I'm going to change somebody's money. I'll change Bob's. Let's go to new scan. Let's go to, am I at the Roblox? Okay, I'm going to want to go to 2200. I'm going to go to first scan. And see right here, I'll have this. And I'll change his to 999999. I don't know if it works on other players. Okay, and let's see if it works. Okay, 1 second. Try to. I guess it didn't work. Okay. Oh, I guess that one didn't work. Yeah, sorry. It's a little complicated sometimes to get it all set up. 222. His value keeps changing a lot. I'm gonna cut this out. I'll go to here. Oh wait, he changed his value. 1250. Okay, I gotta do this fast. New scan, first scan. Now I'm gonna wanna go to this. Yeah, I'm gonna go to cut. And I'm gonna wanna go to this. I'm gonna go to 9999999. If that doesn't work correctly, I will go here and go 9999999. Oh, some of them don't work. Don't use speed hack either. It'll kick you out of the game. You did it too fast. Well, that's what that is. Bob, you have to my username on here is Spencer2123. As you can maybe see, unless it's too blurry. Oops, I spelled that wrong. TUICK. But that's all you have to do, and sometimes it doesn't work because they have something on there. You have to find the right one because they're all different. But that's all you have to really do for today. See you guys later. I think that's all I have to say. But you can use them on different games. You have to look them up online, stuff like that. Okay. The exact value and stuff like that. Blah 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 blah. I'll have to figure that out later. I'll make more videos later. Thanks, guys. See you later. Okay, I can't turn this off. Okay.